Today I am going to discuss about very interesting program in 8051 microcontroller. The topic name is count number of ones present in a given number. So let me take one example. 56 is a given number. So in this 56, how many number of ones present? So before that, first convert this 56 into binary number. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So it's a 8-bit value. So in this 8-bit value, it has a 4 number of ones. So 4 number of ones. So 4 number of ones present here. So this things is implemented into 8051 microcontroller. So in this video I focus how many number of ones present in the 56 with the help of 8051 microcontroller. So let me write the program. So in this program I am taking 3 registers, or 0, or 1, or 2. So this or 0 is used to store number of ones. Number of ones count. This R1 register is used to hold the width of the bit. So in this program I am taking 8-bit values. So this R1 register, it hold 8-bit values. Then this R2 register. So R2 register is store the given numbers. So here given number is 56. So in this program I am using 3 register. R0 register is hold the number of ones count. R1 register hold the width of the bit. R2 register hold the given numbers. So let me write the program. Move R0 comma pound symbol 00H. So initially R0 value is set to be 00. This pound symbol is represent for immediate value. So after execution of this instruction, R0 value is 00H. Then next, initialize the R1 register. So R1 register, it hold the 8-bit value, so 08H. After execution of this instruction, R2 value is 08H. Then initialize the third register R2. So R2, it hold the given number 56. So this 56 H also immediate data. After execution of this instruction, R2 value is 56 H. So far initialize R0 register, R1 register and R2 register. Now we start the operation. So how to find the number of ones in a given number? Move A comma R2. So whatever value present in R2, that content is loaded into accumulator. So after execution of this instruction, accumulator value is 56 H. Then next instruction is R or C. So R or C represent rotate, write, carry. So this instruction is mainly used to find the number of ones present in a given numbers. So here the accumulator content is 56. First I write the binary number 4 is 56. Let me assign carry values 0. So R or C. So once you rotate the accumulator content in right direction through carry value. So this carry goes to here 0 0 1 0. So this one goes to here 0 1 1. So this 0 goes to carry. So after first rotation, the accumulator content is 2, then 1 0 1 1. So 2B. So after execution of this instruction, the accumulator content is 2B, carry value is set to be 0. So then you check the condition J and C and go to some other location, skip. So after execution of this instruction, the carry value is 0. So J and C represent jump on, no carry. So this condition is true. So once the condition is true, it goes to the loop skip. So here the instruction is DJNZ or 1 comma back. So back is the label name. So this label name represents the location or C. So J and C skip. Jump on, no carry. So here the carry value is 0. The condition is true. Once the condition is true, the program counter skip the location to skip label. So here the instruction is DJNZ R1 comma back. So DJNZ represent decrement, jump on, no 0. So once decrement the R1 value. So R1 value is 8. So after decrement, this R1 value goes to 0.7. So once you decrement. So after decrement, check the R1 register content whether this value is 0 or non-zero value. So this one is a non-zero value. If non-zero value means this condition is true, it goes to the location back. Here the instruction or C. So once rotate right direction in the accumulator content through carry value. So this 0 is transferred here. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this 1 is transferred to here. So after once rotation in right direction, the carry value is said to be 1. So it's a first rotation. This one is a second rotation. Now J and C skip. Jump on, no carry. But in this case, the carry value is said to be 1. The condition is false. It executes the next instruction. Next instruction is INC or 0. So or 0 represent, it stores the number of ones present in a given number. So now R1 value is, R0 value is 1. So after increment, R0 value is said to be 1. Then next instruction DJNZ R1. So decrement R1 value. So after decrement, R1 value goes to 0. Now also R1 value is non-zero value. The condition is true. It go to back or C. So once again rotate the content through carry. So 1. This 0 is goes to here. 0 0 1 0 1 0. This one is goes to carry. After third rotation, carry value is said to be 1. The condition is false. It executes the next instruction. Increment R0. Now R0 value is 2. Then DJNZ R1 comma back. So after decrement, R1 value is said to be 5. So it's a non-zero value. The program counter loaded in the label back or C. So once again you rotate the content. So this carry is goes to MSB bit 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. This 0 is goes to carry. So now J and C skip. The carry value is 0. The condition is true. It goes to here. So DJ and Z R1 comma back. Now R1 register content is 04. So now also R1 value is non-zero value. It goes to here or C. So once again rotate the function. So this one is the fourth rotation. 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So now carry value is said to be 1. The condition is false. It executes the next instruction. R0 value goes to 3. DJ and Z R1 comma back. So decrement the R1 value. Now R1 value content is 03. Now also R1 is not 0 value. It go to RRC. 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. So after sixth rotation, carry value is said to be 0. Condition is true. It goes to here. Decrement R1 content. So after decrement, the content is 0 2. So condition is true. It goes to this instruction RRC. So once again rotate the content. So carry values goes to MSB 101 1000. So after 7th rotation, the carry value is said to be 1. The condition is false. It execute the next instruction. Now or not value is 4. Then it come to decrement jump on no 0 or 1. So after decrement R1 content is 0 1. Now also this R1 is a non-zero value. It goes to the location RC. So it's come to here 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0, carry value is 0. So after 8th rotation, so carry is 0 value, the condition is true, it goes to the skip instruction DJNZ R1 comma back. Now this value is 0 0. So check the condition. So this value is 0 0 in the sense the loop is over. So final instruction is yes jump here. Is the never end loop. So this is the simple way to find the number of ones present in a given number. So first you take the given number value. So in this number corresponding binary number you can write then how many number of registers record. You just mention here R0, R1 and R2. So main thing of this program is RRC. So RRC, this instruction is help to find the number of ones present in the given number. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thank you.